for me. Yep. Adjust now if you need to. Up on peeking, I'm done calling. He knows we're here. There he is. He's up on top of the hill. He's still a little. There's the double bubble. Let him calm. Yeah, let him calm. Don't move. Stay patient. There's two. Get your gun up. Gun up, get your safety on. Wait for him, wait for him. Wait. Keep waiting. There you go, better shot, you take it. Take it. Wait for me. Atta boy, Timmy. Atta boy, dude. God, am I proud of you, man. Don't go off the cliff. God, am I proud of you, man. That's a beautiful bird, brother.
Damn, bro.
Congratulations, man. How did that feel?
It's crazy, man. He's getting lucky first time out, man.
Man, that's as good as he gets, dude. Oh, man. Congratulations, dude. That's the first time ever turkey hunting.
Dude.
We brought two of them in there.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I didn't know there was two until they double gobbled up on the hill, and I was like, oh man. I was too worried about watching you to pick the gun up.
I was scared to move, man.
Oh, you can't move. That one, I think he made us out a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm shaking worse than you are. You think my dumb ass would have picked the gun up, but...
That thing, dude. How big is it?
His nerve.
One more shot.
No, he's long gone. That's just their nerves, man. You gotta be careful with them spurs.
Yeah.
I don't really need them flipping down all the way into that ravine and having to go down after them. Why don't you go get your tag? Let's get a tag on this bird, make them legal. Make them yours.